Hello, today I will be showing you how to turn your video from this to this 4K video. Alright, this is actually super simple. All you have to do is have your video in your timeline, and then go to the Effects tab at the top left. Open the Video Effects drop-down menu, and find Smart Sharpen. Now, drag the effect on top of the video in your timeline. You can adjust the length of the sharpen effect with the ends of this blue effect on the video, and you can adjust the blur, filters, range, and sharpen at the top right. The blur adjustment affects the blur. The filters adjustment affects the lighting. The range adjustments affects the range of things in your video affected by the sharpen. Finally, the sharpen adjustment affects how sharp your video is going to be. If you ever click off of the video on the timeline and then click back on it, you will see that the effect is no longer there. If you want to edit that effect, right-click on the video and select Edit Effects. Now, in order to get 4K settings, put the blur to 30, the filters at 60, the range at 55, and the sharpen at 30. These are the 4K settings, but you can adjust it to whatever you like. Hopefully this video helped, and if it did, make sure to like and subscribe.